Are you tired of earning zero interest on your savings? It's time to rethink how you manage your money. Banks may seem like a safe place to store your cash, but let me tell you why this might not be your best option. First, banks offer minimal or no interest on your savings account. Your hard-earned money is just sitting there, not growing. Second, inflation will eat away at your savings over time. The cost of living keeps rising, and your money loses its value. Third, banks can charge fees for various services like maintenance, ATM withdrawals, and even just having an account. Finally, your money is not always completely safe in banks. In times of economic uncertainty, banks can fail, and you may lose your money. But don't worry, there is a better solution. Consider investing or diversifying your funds into different assets. Investing can provide higher returns, protect against inflation, and give you control over your financial future. So, it's time to stop keeping your cash in the bank. Explore smarter financial options that make your money work for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips.